Hey guys, today I want to show you Zottman curls. This is one of my favorite type of curls to do. So what you're going to do is you're going to sit down on a bench. The bench is going to be about somewhere about like a 60, anywhere between like 45 to 60 degree angle here. You're going to lean back. So from here, what you're going to do is have your arms straight down. So I have a video on incline curls and I'll show you how to do the incline curl. It's sort of like that, but instead of coming straight back down, so obviously we're going to be coming up. You want to make sure that your elbows are pointing down. You don't want to lift those elbows up or move the shoulder joint or anything. So you really want to just focus on bringing the weights up. But for Zottman, what you're going to do is flip. You're going to hit a little more forearm this way and going down nice and slow. And then again, you're going to flip. So as you're coming up, you're going to have your palms up. As you're going down, you're going to have your palms down. Just like that. These are one of my favorite types of curls, guys. If you have any questions on that, please feel free to reach out. I hope this helps. And yeah, please leave any questions, comments, anything in the comments. Okay, bye guys. Thanks so much.